Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosose Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Fidelity heist gone wrong. Ngalesikhathi atigebeng tithi tizama kubamba imoti yemali ayaka Fidelity dathi matithi tizama kufaka ibhomi yavele yaqhuma kulomunye waletigebengu yamshaya mkhipha lenyawo guys. Bekunetimvithi njena atemitimba yakhe khona lapha phansi imbhomile guys ibhomu, and guys singakusho nje qwala emlomo ukuthi leni heist leyibe mhlume straight heist leyibe angathi guys disaster ibe mhlume njena. And I'm even thinking ukuthi bebangathi ukuthi sebenza njani le bomu, kwendakaleni, like what went wrong kuze kugcine sekuphumeka one of letigebengu letiyana guys. Kanti maphoyisa phenya liqala lokuzama kubulala loku abamba imoto yemali, and one of their cars, because la tigebengu betihamba nga-40 imoto le one yayo isale endzaweni yesigameko. So nje heist le bemhlumeleka ngendlela lesimanga. Abantu baphumile bamemeta abomayemaye ngemva kokuthi babone alesihlakalo lesifusana kangaka. So balabaningi bathi waze walayeka nangibhuti nangu bekazama kubulala labanye bantu for what? For imali guys. Yabona bathi God works in mysterious ways. Cabanga nje ukuthi ubambele ibhomu utihlephule wena utibulale maphisi bekagqole emgwaceni akhe lo bhuti wesigebengu lo bekazama phela kubamba le moto yemali guys. Into bantu labatenda for money tiyathusa, and buka nyalo sowulahlekelwe impilo yakhe for what? Bangani bakhe bavele bamshiya khona lapho bayomisa phi guys? Bavele bamshiya khona lapho bathi cha asidingeni thina, kuyakhonakala na? Hayi awukhonakali. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.